Firstly, let's start by locating middle C again. So the two grouped black keys closest to the center of the piano, and then the white key just before. Now let's find two grouped black keys elsewhere on the keyboard. If we do exactly the same and play the white key just before, it's also the note C. It's not middle C because it's not the C closest to the middle of the keyboard. Let's find another C. Two grouped black keys, and then play the white key just before. Let's do it again. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, that's another C. Now start from the bottom of the piano and find all the C notes going up the keyboard. So, two grouped black keys, white key just before, the note C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, the note C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, the note C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, which is also C, but it's also middle C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, another C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, and another C. Now do it the opposite way. So, two grouped black keys, C. Two grouped black keys, the note C. Two grouped black keys, the note C. Two grouped black keys, the note C, which is also middle C. Two grouped black keys, white key just before, the note C. Two grouped black keys, the note C. Two grouped black keys, the note C. Now that we know how to find all the C's on a piano by finding two grouped black keys and playing the white key just to the left, we can do the same with the three grouped black keys to find the note F.